Ever wondered why some companies become household names while others remain shrouded in mystery? Take Housecall Pro, for instance. It's a tool used by countless home service businesses, plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, to manage their operations. But have you ever stopped to think, is Housecall Pro going public? It's a question that's been buzzing around the tech and investment circles. On the surface, it seems like a no-brainer. A company that's managed to carve out a niche in a massive market, serving thousands of businesses, should be lining up for an IPO, right? But it's not always that simple. Let's dive into the world of Housecall Pro and explore the potential of an IPO. First off, what does it mean for a company to go public? Essentially, it's when a private company offers shares of its stock to the public for the first time. This process is called an initial public offering, or IPO. The benefits for a company are numerous: raising capital, increasing brand visibility, and providing an exit strategy for early investors. But going public is a big deal. Comes with a ton of responsibilities. Public companies are subject to stricter regulations, quarterly earnings reports, and constant scrutiny from investors and analysts. It's not a decision to be taken lightly. So where does Housecall Pro stand? Well, the company has been steadily growing. It's raised significant funding, expanded its feature set, and increased its user base. These are all positive signs for a potential IPO. But there's more to it than just growth. Profitability is another key factor. A company needs to demonstrate a consistent ability to generate profits to attract investors. While we don't have detailed financial information about Housecall Pro, it's safe to say that profitability is crucial for any IPO. Another thing to consider is the overall market climate. The tech industry has experienced its ups and downs. Investor sentiment can fluctuate, and market conditions can impact the success of an IPO. Now, there's a possibility that Housecall Pro might choose an alternative path to going public. Instead of an IPO, they could opt for a direct listing, where existing shareholders sell their shares on the public market without the company issuing new shares. Or they might consider being acquired by a larger company. So, to answer the burning question, is Housecall Pro going public? As of now, there's no concrete evidence or official announcement. The company might be considering it, but it's also possible they'll stay private. Ultimately, the decision to go public is a strategic one. It depends on a variety of factors, including the company's financial health, growth prospects, and the overall market conditions. One thing is clear: Housecall Pro is a company to watch. Whether they go public or not, their impact on the home service industry is undeniable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.